Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Capricorn. I'll be picking a few cards for your general energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies. So let us see what's coming, guys. We will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. These are for your general energies. And these are for your love energies, guys. For your general energy, 9 of Cups in reverse, 4 of Swords in reverse, 4 of Cups, Capricorn. The energy with these cards is that, guys, there may be certain situations that are coming up with you that you need to think clearly and decide your next step of action. So if you go for the right step of action, it is going to be a success, guys. So you need to be very diligent in your work, think clearly, and then decide what needs to be done, guys. So in your work situation, things may be good. Sorry, guys. In your work situations, things may be good, but you still need to be very attentive of your decisions, what you need to do today, guys. Maybe certain things may go wrong, so you need to be absolutely careful about what you are deciding and what you are doing, guys. So that is also the energy here. So extreme precaution and wise administration of affairs, whatever you need to do, will give you success today, guys. So this may relate to your work situation and or maybe in your relationship with this person also. So this person may be true, loyal to you. They may have that you may share that great understanding with them, but there may be a few things that are causing stress in your situation. So you are not readily accepting that certain things in your relationship or with this person. You feel that you have certain weariness, because that may be because of your past. So though you share that great understanding with this person, you are not readily accepting this relationship for what it is. Maybe this person wants to take it forward with a strong sense of commitment. You are still thinking, you are waiting for the right time. Maybe that may be because of certain mistakes that you did in the past. That may be the reason that you are taking your time, or it may be because of certain mistakes you may do now. You have certain fears about that, so you are taking your time. You are clearly seeing your choices and what needs to be done. You are thinking with clarity and you're waiting for the right time, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you would have done some mistakes. So in the past, that may be the reason that you want to correct those mistakes and then move on with this life. That may also be the energy here, Capricorn. So let us see what are these cards for your love energies. The Lovers in reverse, 8 of Wands in reverse. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel that it may be really immature for you to make certain decisions about this relationship, or this may be this person's energy. They may feel that it is immature for them to make a decision regarding this relationship, because they are they have certain views about themselves because of those mistakes of the past, or some mistakes they would have done to you. So they want to correct that first. They want to correct that first before moving forward with this relationship, guys. So they are really feeling sad for what they did with you, maybe some quarrels or some arguments. So they want to correct that, then move forward, guys. That is the energy here. Or maybe for some of them, they feel their conscience, in their conscience they are really guilty for their mistakes. So they want to get over that guilt before coming towards you, or before what to say, before going in with a deeper commitment or strong commitment or moving to the next step in this relationship. They want to set things right first, then come towards you. So that is the reading, guys, Capricorn. So let us see what is their love message for you all, guys. You bring peace to me. So this person feels a great comfort with you, guys. They love you a lot. That is the reason they want to make things right with you for the mistakes they did to you, or certain mistakes from their past. So they want to get over that guilt first, then come to you, guys. So that is what they feel, or this is what you feel about this connection. So that is the reading, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated with you all, please like and comment. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.